Allah Almighty says in the Holy Quran, and we made water from every living thing. Today, the Alkhidmat is dedicated to launch an initiative to distribute fresh water tanks to the needy and hungry people of Jabalia camp north of the Gaza Strip. The people of this area are struggling a lot to find fresh water to drink due to the destruction of the water lines. So we are here today to help these people by providing them with fresh water. Special thanks, love and respect from Gaza, especially from the north of the Gaza Strip, to the all donators and supporters of Alkhidmat for helping the people in Gaza.